What's going on, guys? This is Danny from Still Restoration. We actually got to get that hooked up to the car trailer and actually load that on it, and we got a couple deals in works. Let's see if we can make them happen. It involves, like I said, that and the car trailer. So we got it hooked up. Now let's get it loaded up. Well, that actually works exceptionally well. We got it all strapped down. She's nice and secure. Let's get on the way. Water's up the Conowingo Dam. All that rain we had, and this wind too. It's got all choppy on the high side, and we got the water rolling pretty good. You'll be able to see it when we come over on the slow side. Yeah, they got rolling really good through there. You can usually see rocks all through there, but unfortunately it makes it very, very muddy and kills fishing downstream, but not much you can do. Alright guys, we're not going to do a lot of filming here, I don't believe. We're going to just respect the guy's privacy, but if this all works out, we'll be leaving with something other than the Raptor. So let's see how this works. Well, that deal didn't 100% work out. We are actually on our way to look at another car since we're in this area, and we'll see how that works out. But we still might end up buying this car, but as far as the deal with the four-wheeler, that did not work out. So let's get to this other one. We'll check it out. Well, the first trip didn't work out, but we're headed back and we worked out a deal. So unfortunately the four-wheeler is not going to work, but cash will. So let's jump in here and head back and pick this car up. Again, I'm probably not going to film a whole lot while I'm here. We'll respect the guy's privacy. But there is a car here I would like to get a little footage from. We'll see if we can do that or not. It's a I'm not sure what year it is. It's 70 to 73 Camaro Z28. So, and it's been sitting for a while. It was pretty nice when it was parked, but it's a little on the rough side now. But we'll see if we can get some footage. It's a cool car. No matter what shape it's in, it's still a cool car. All right, there's one of the cars. I can see that Camaro or not. But we're doing a little four-wheel in here in a two-wheel drive Yukon, so hopefully this works out all right. All right guys, we're loaded up. That actually went really easy. There's no motor and trans in this, so there it is. It's a 1967 Pontiac Firebird. So let's get out of here and we'll check it out a little bit better. As you can see from the rear view mirror, we're on our way with the Firebird, and I love it. I love junkers like this. We drug it out, hopefully saved it. We'll get it home, put it up on the lift, give it a quick once over, and kind of decide what we're going to do with it. But it's quite possibly this is going to be a flip. So if you're interested in it, stay tuned for the follow-up video, and we'll go over front to back. We'll see what this thing needs, and if you're interested, it just may be for sale. So we'll see. There's always a little bit nerve-wracking coming through here. It's very narrow. You have a car trailer on hauling something, but I've been driving these roads for years, so. Conowingo Dam. It's very, very windy today, so it's pretty choppy. Very dirty too. It looks like chocolate milk out there. Alright guys, we made it back home. We'll do just a quick walk through or walk around on this car. You can see it's definitely rough, but there's a lot there. There's a lot of parts there. It's a rolling shell, at least, with an interior. I always like this about the Firebirds. They have this little gas door. Always thought that was cool on those. Here's the worst part. It did have an accident. Obviously got the quarter and the door, but you're gonna replace that anyway because it was rusty. So like I said, we'll get this up on the lift and really check it out. We got a vintage set of wheels here too. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day. I will leave you with this. We did get a PHS document. The guy that owned this had it sent off, all the numbers sent off, and you can get, it's from Pontiac. It's called PHS, and there's a complete list of what this car had. So we'll definitely check that out. We decided to get out a little bit and go hiking. We got Scout with us. We got Jessica with us. And we're in the Yukon. And oddly enough, this place is packed. I mean, you can see all the cars, but we thought it'd be empty, and there's like hardly a parking spot in the parking lot anywhere. So it's a pretty big area, so we should still be able to stay social distancing apart. If that's a thing. Yeah, it's very weird. A thing. It's a thing. Oh, social distancing is a thing, but I said it very oddly, so.
Would you like some balls?
No, I have my own. Well, so far we got a clear trail. We can get Scout to catch up. It's very scenic here anyway. Now we come to the field section.
The sound of music.
The sound of music? What?
You didn't sing the song.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm not singing it.
I don't know. I have no idea what you're talking about.
The Hills Are Alive song.
Okay. Come on, let's go. Scout, come.
Take my video.
That's a pretty big drop there. I believe that's Holtwood Power Plant, up river on the Susquehanna from the Conowingo Dam. Scout's gonna go right over the edge. Here's some nice fresh spring water. Scout likes it. He's got to be first to investigate. Nice stream flowing under it. That's some old steel there. A little bit more rugged down here. Scout loves the water, so he'll be fine. Are you gonna make it? Go help her, Scout.
Yeah, no, don't let him around me.
Got some brave people there. Check out that old foundation. All right, we're finishing up our hike. What, 4 miles, he said?
4 miles.
For as many cars that are in the parking lot, there really was not that many on the trail. We passed a few people, a few dogs, but overall, plenty of room. So nice to get out and get some fresh air now.